Hi everybody, my name is Tom Keefe. I'm the category manager at Almo Pro AV for the dvLED category. Today is the third edition of my training series on breaking down LED. The title of today's edition is Got Spares? The Importance of Having Spares When Purchasing or Commissioning a dvLED Wall. So I'm going to start with a personal story. My wife is very particular. When we were first planning for our wedding, she suggested that me and my groomsmen wear black suits. And I said, that's great. You know, I think my groomsmen all probably have black suits, so they're not going to have to spend any money on new ones. And she said, well, no, that's not right. She explained to me that apparently black is not black. She pointed out that if you have 7 men stand next to each other in 7 different black suits, then the shades of black are going to be noticeably different. And apparently this would not be good for our wedding photos, which were very important to her. So the point is, she was right as usual. The difference of one shade of black next to another is very plain to see, even to the most untrained eye. So I had to make my groomsmen go out and get the same black suit, all to be in the wedding party for my wedding, to their disappointment, I'm afraid. So it's the same with LEDs and batching. One batch for an LED is not going to be exactly the same as another in terms of color and calibration. So when taken together on a large video wall and compared directly with another wall made up of another batch of LEDs, there's going to be a noticeable color difference between the two. So to address this, LED manufacturers will often provide spare modules from the same batch. So this way, when a pixel goes out or a module is damaged or in need of repair, the spare can be swapped in to replace the damaged unit. If you select a solid manufacturer with US service centers, usually they're going to repair your damaged unit and send it back to you under warranty. Once you have the repaired module back, it now becomes one of your spares. So now let's say you didn't select a manufacturer that offers spares, or perhaps offered spares but no US service. What happens when you need to replace a damaged unit? So the best case scenario, you're going to be forced to purchase a new module from a different batch to replace the damaged one. The problem here is that the new module could very easily stick out like a sore thumb, and your brand new video wall is going to forever be imperfect. The worst case scenario, the module replacing is from a discontinued model and it can't be replaced. So now your video wall just became a really expensive paperweight because you're going to have a huge hole in your video wall because there's not going to be a module there that's going to be able to be replaced. And that's going to be a very difficult conversation to have with the customer. So it's very important that you have spares on hand. Almo Pro AV has great options. Luckily, there's a handful of terrific LED manufacturers that offer batch spares and support those within the United States. As a matter of fact, some are actually going to repair and send back your damaged module within 10 days in most cases. The point is, you can rest easy knowing that you have a plan in the event of a module failure. So your customer's never going to have to deal with a video wall that's out of commission. Almo Pro AV is the leader in direct view LED distribution, and we only partner with the most reputable brands. So please remember that because we recognize that your success is our success, and we never want to see any of our customers in a position where they're unable to support a product that they purchase from us. We have members of our staff that are dedicated to supporting individual LED brands, business development managers, and they're here to provide you with concierge-level service to help you navigate this new and exciting product category. So the moral of the story here is make sure you work with the vendor that offers the ample amount of spares that are required for the project you're working on and supports the product here in the US to ensure that you and your customer are protected. And to the guys reading this, black is not black, dress accordingly.